Lately, I've noticed my snoring has gotten worse, and I can't help but wonder if it's because my neck muscles feel weak or tense. I don't have any major health issues, but I do sit at a desk most of the day and have pretty poor posture. Could weak neck muscles actually cause snoring or make it worse at night?
Yes, weak neck and throat muscles can contribute to snoring. When these muscles lose tone, often due to aging, poor posture, or lack of exercise, they allow the soft tissues in the throat to relax and collapse more easily during sleep. This narrowing of the airway causes vibrations as air passes through, which produces the snoring sound. Strengthening the muscles around the neck and throat through specific exercises can help reduce snoring by keeping the airway more open. If you'd rather take an easier route than doing daily exercises, there's also a fascinating new approach that's been making waves among sleep experts. A recent breakthrough from a Swedish university uncovered a little-known respiratory nerve issue that causes the throat and tongue muscles to relax too much during sleep, leading to loud snoring and sleep apnea. This discovery inspired what's now called the 7-second chew hack, a simple, science-backed technique that's helping thousands of people stop snoring and finally enjoy deep, peaceful rest again. You can learn more about this quick fix and how it works in the short video linked in the description below. In addition, maintaining a healthy weight, sleeping on your side, and avoiding alcohol before bed can further improve muscle tone and reduce snoring episodes.